So per our ISO requirements, we have to validate all of our suppliers. A supplier initially is given a form to complete, and they must attach an ISO certificate to the form if they're compliant. The form is extensive and is many pages, and understanding the amount of employees they have, if they themselves have a quality system, and then we internally as a management team must approve the supplier to be added to our approved supplier list. Sometimes we have a customer that mandates that we add a supplier to our list without us fully qualifying them, so then we conditionally approve the supplier. We monitor their delivery performance, the products that they ship, and if they're able to meet our quality requirements. We also, per ISO 13485, depending on the class of supplier, we do yearly audits of the supplier and a site visit if required.